Let's get started with part 4. But on like the 28 millimeters and 24 millimeters and wider, it doesn't have the same distortion effect. These standard lenses, it's now much easier to get a blurry background due to their less wide focal length. We do not call these standard lenses because they replicate the field of your human vision. Call them standard lenses because they don't have any distortion. Let's now talk about the 50mm lens. This is considered the quintessential standard lens. This particular lens has been popular with photographers for a ridiculously long time. It's not too wide. It's not too zoomed in, to use the colloquial term. Back in the film era, before good quality zoom lenses were available, if you wanted a general purpose lens that was pretty good at everything, this was your only option. You get up close, you can use it to do headshots. Back up a bit, you can use this to get an entire shot of your subject's body. Back up a bit further, you can use this lens to do a group shot. This is great for landscape photographers because they can take entire scene shots, take a few steps forward to do a close-up, or take a few steps back, higher scene. A other reason these things are extremely popular is that they have extremely wide maximum apertures, so they excel in low light. It's much easier to engineer a 50mm lens to have a wide maximum aperture than it is a wide-angle lens or a telephoto lens. This is the reason why for most people after their kit zoom lens is a 50mm lens, because most zooms typically don't go past f2.8. And many of old classic photos were taken with a 50mm lens. If you want that classic old Hollywood look, a 35mm and a 50mm lens are your best bet. This focal length is also beloved by street photographers. Take a look at these examples shot on a 50mm lens. In case you couldn't tell, this is low-key one of my favorite focal lengths. Get ready for part 5.